Greetings, fashion brands. We understand the challenges you face. Small manufacturers might offer tempting prices, but quality often falls short. On the other hand, larger manufacturers can bring high costs and minimum order quantities that make it tough to maintain profits. Enter NoName, your reliable partners in fashion. Born during challenging times, our experienced team knows the ins and outs of the industry, having worked with big names like Marks & Spencer, Walmart, and Target for over 2 decades. Kalpana and our team have a goal: to empower brands like yours. Our extensive network of suppliers, factories, and quality control experts ensures your brand's needs are fully met. We offer an array of materials to complement your designs: organic cotton, bamboo, recycled polyester, and hemp, among others. From design to manufacturing, we've got you covered. Quality checks by independent experts. Absolutely. Logistical support. Consider it done. We also offer white label products, a huge range of designs, which can be customized by changing the color, brand labels, and materials. This makes it faster and cheaper to add products in your inventory. So, fashion brands, let's bring your brand to life together. Reach out to the NoName team, and let's take your brand to the next level. We're excited to work with you. Submit your designs today and let's connect. Visit our website, nonameglobal.com.